out here at Tip. You want to see John's new bike? Y'all ready for this? Yo, y'all like this? This could be yours. This is new bike. Yeah, it is. But I'm just. Whew.
It'll work.
That bike is beautiful. Oh, behind the scenes of the new bike build.
Yeah, here it is.
Yo, that thing is beautiful.
It
The pedals make it pop a little
We're
more.
out in the sun, buddy. Pedals is where it's at. Oh, it's gonna be cool in the sun, huh? Yeah, that purple's super nice.
That is dope. All the chain tensioners.
Yeah, since it's so close.
What? Isn't it 2008?
There was chain tensioners back
You'll
then.
save me. You'll thank me.
Where are the chain tensioners?
You open the door, I'm gonna just super expose it.
Super exposing and exposing?
So, oh look, oh that's perfect. Beautiful. Okay, it is a lot brighter out here.
Oh, my eyes are melting. Cover shot? You want me down?
Oh, darn.
I think it's going. Is it? Yep.
I'm like,
Come a little closer.
I'm
Come closer until the... Come until it's edge to edge. The tires are edge to edge. Edge to edge.
oh, you had fish eye, I forgot.
It's probably a little too close.
I'm literally behind the scenes of this beautiful bike build right there.
This is like the photo shoot. This is how we get the cover shot.
Exactly. You guys don't understand the struggle we go through. We get your thumbnails. But look at the bike is so fire. That face is fire.
I hope we got it. You get it?
That's a good thing. I already did a bar spin on there, so I'm proud of myself.
Oh, that's, yeah, it's not actually. It's just
Shout out to John for having good taste.
if not, I'll get it.
But the pedals make it pop. I love it.
Sick!
On my way right now, just leaving Tip. Hick's new bike is pretty dope. I suggested he get the purple, and it's pretty dope. You know, I actually like the purple. Like, I first seen it in pictures, it didn't look great, but it looked wonderful. Like, oh, I'm sorry, I got a message, but it looks wonderful. But good news, I got a new GoPro charger, and then yeah, I can use my GoPro again. So we about to go link and build at home with Chris and Gabriel and Damien, and go ride some street. And by the way, guys, just letting you know, edit is coming soon. I'm about to start working hard, like for real, for real. That's what I'm saying. Look, so you just gonna cut me off like you about to do a banger? Damn. There used to be a pomegranate tree right here. Yeah, and we in Mark, but I'm Markel. I'm turning around, I want to hit that.
Yeah, me too.
Hell yeah. The po-po though. Fuck them niggas. Back in the day. It was so bad that my parents wouldn't even let me spend the night at the people that live behind them.
Really?
Yeah.
Jeez. Welcome to the hood, huh?
Yeah, right? We used to hop up over there. Whew.
Spots right here to
They know children. I mean,
Take a quick run through, see what we find.
nothing. Children. I'm getting pressed by a little girl.
I'm telling you.
Oh, these rails? These rails? Huh?
Well, there you go.
I do feel sus too, though. Let's go. I'm visiting my old school. I mean, it was an empty hallway. I rolled through with Dose. I don't know, because that was the wall right at the end you hit. It's weird because it's uphill. Why you block your path, Damien? You literally blocked it. Move. Don't do it. Don't do it.
No slide. Rip that.
No slide. And I just. Why you say what? Oh, who's?
Said that dumb shit. No, nigga.
Yo. Oh. The worst sound ever. Hicks bars moved. Yeah. Put the dick in their mouth, so I guess it's fuck what they say. Just trying to land a fucking 180. That was hard. That was hard. That was.
That was sick.
Where's C?
Hey, another spot so you can film something on here.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, probably show some fire here.
Have you tried changing your manual one?
Yeah.
Changing your manual, ice, hop, and manual bar?
Boy, if you don't shut your ass up with this weird ass combination.
It is a very weird. Ah, almost. What? Okay, thank you. Nigga! Because, nigga, I was about to fall fucking with you. I ducked so hard my foot fell off. Oh shit! I almost slipped on the little bush. Yeah. Yeah. Finito.
Wow, first try.
Woo, I'm a bitch. I couldn't even do that. You just follow me till I do it.